Having trouble with your YouTube video not working on EverWebinar? You're not alone, and in this video, we'll dive into the reasons why it could be happening and how to fix it fast. Make sure to stay until the end, as I'll share a bonus tip that could save you tons of time and frustration. First things first, EverWebinar has specific settings for how it handles video content. If your YouTube video isn't showing up properly, it could be due to the way the video is embedded. EverWebinar uses a special method to load videos for its automated webinars. The typical YouTube URL won't always work, and you might need to reformat or re-upload the video for it to display correctly. So, make sure you're using the right type of video link. Next thing, video privacy settings. If your YouTube video is set to private or even unlisted, EverWebinar might not be able to access it. The video needs to be set to public for EverWebinar to embed and play it without any issues. Check that setting in your YouTube account before trying again. The third thing could be a problem with the video quality or file format. EverWebinar supports high-quality videos, but sometimes very high-resolution videos, like 4K, might not play well depending on your webinar setup. If this is the case, try uploading a slightly lower resolution version of the video and see if that helps. Now, let's talk about buffering and lag. If your YouTube video works but is glitchy or takes too long to load on EverWebinar, it might be a bandwidth issue. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough to handle streaming. Another possible culprit is EverWebinar's own servers or the video delivery network. If it's experiencing high traffic, that could affect playback. The fifth thing to consider is your browser or device. Sometimes EverWebinar works fine on one browser, but doesn't on another. Try switching to a different browser like Google Chrome if you're using something else. Also, make sure that your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Lastly, if you've tried all these and your YouTube video still isn't working, you might be facing a bug or a technical issue on EverWebinar's side. In this case, reaching out to their support team is your best bet. They can troubleshoot the issue directly and help get things running smoothly. And here's the bonus tip I promised. You can actually use EverWebinar completely free from the first link below, and we're offering exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform. If you've been having trouble with YouTube videos or any other EverWebinar features, this extended free trial could be the solution you need to test everything out for yourself. Remember to check the description for that special link and take advantage of the exclusive offer before it expires. Let me know in the comments if you've run into any other EverWebinar issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips like this one.